In today's lecture, we will learn how to build a relationship between a foreign key and primary key using a check table, and then we will insert an entry and test key. First, we go on key code SC11 and see that whatever the custom table we have created previous for Z employee MAS key. See, here the employee ID is primary key and second table is Z employee ZEMP com. Here employee ID is also a primary key, but here we make this employee ID as a foreign key. So go on first table, copy the table name, go on second table, click on change, go on the row, whatever the field you want to make as a foreign key. So here I have already done. So here Z employee MAS key, click on create proposal, then copy it, then save it, check and activate. Go on utilities, table content, create entries. See, next one is employee ID, mobile number, address, city, PIN, state, country. Save. See what error come? Entry 201 does not exist in a Z employee MAS key check entry. This error is came because employee ID is present in the first table as a primary key and in the second table as a foreign key. So we are creating an entry in the second table. That's why it's throwing an error, because foreign key check whatever the field you're present in the primary key table, that field or that value is present in your first table or not. If that value is not present in the first table, then definitely it throw error. So see the first table record. First, see and go back, Z employee MAS key, change it, go on utilities, table content, display. See, employee ID 100 is present in the first table, so check for employee ID 100 in the second table. Go on utilities, table content, create entries, for employee 100, mobile number, address, city, state, save it. See, database record successfully created because for employee ID 100 entry is present in the first table, that is Z employee MAS key. There primary key is present as a employee ID is present as a primary key, and in this table employee ID is present as a foreign key. So check the result. Here also one entry is created for employee 100. Now trying to create a for 100 again. Create entries for 100 again, trying to create. See, a data record with the specified key already exists. It will check only at once, because in this ZEMP com employee ID is present as a foreign key as well as primary key. So it check both the relation. For 100 employee ID, it will check only at once. So we will discuss here relationship established between the primary key and foreign key. Primary key is a unique key, but foreign key can be present as multiple. But if we check primary and foreign both, then it check both the relation. For one employee, it will check at once only. That's all about today. We will discuss further in next class. Thank you.